Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing materials so the process is smooth and intentional. First, gather 20 to 40 beads, a length of stretch cord or elastic, sharp scissors, and a lighter or small clear glue for finish. Once done, measure the recipient with 1/2 to 1 inch of slack so the string sits comfortably. Make sure to ask permission and confirm the exchange style, connect, trade, or cuff swap, because that determines timing and bead placement. You now thread beads onto the cord, keeping an even tension so beads sit flush and pattern reads clearly. As you approach the final length, try the fit. You want slight give so movement won't pop beads off. Once correct, tie a reliable knot, a surgeon's knot, or a double overhand because those resist slipping. Then trim the excess cord but leave a small tail. If using glue, apply minimally to the knot so it holds without stiffening the string. You finish by sealing the knot. A quick melt with a lighter or a touch of clear glue keeps the knot from slipping. After sealing, press the ends together briefly while cooling. This creates a compact join. If the string loosens or beads slip later, retension and retie immediately and consider switching to a stronger cord if failures repeat. One key troubleshooting tip: when knots consistently fail, use a slightly thicker cord and redistribute.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.